Hey and welcome to Alhuon. In this video we are once again going to trade some binder option, this time on pocket option. Now, I am maybe the only YouTuber online that is trading live every single day, 1 hour. I trade Forex and binary option together, okay? So you can see now, for example, tomorrow, there will be a live session for binary option because Saturday and Sunday we can't trade Forex, okay? So if you want to join me in this, you just go to my channel and you see there will always be a link like this that says that it's a coming live session, okay? So if you have any interest about following me trading live, well, make sure you join tomorrow. Also check my other live sessions I had. You can see here, we're trading every single day. I can show you. Here you can see. And basically, you can, like I said, you can find many YouTubers that show you this and these results and all this garbage, but none of them are doing what I do. Yes, I'm just a small YouTuber. That's why I want to prove myself so you can see that my strategy actually really work. And we do it live in front of people. You don't get more real than that. Like for example, today we made, I think was 370 or something dollars we made on my live session for binary option, and we did one Forex trade. Last time I did check, we were in good profit. And yesterday also we made like 570, I think we made in profit in binary option, and we won both the Forex trades. So there are no bullshit on this channel. I will not try to give you a bullshit strategy. I prove it for you every single day on the screen. So make sure you join and also help me out a little. Like this video, subscribe my channel, turn on this bell notification so you never lose a live video, whatever I'm doing. And also, if you have any questions, you can put them below the video. Also, like I said, we are now going to trade some at pocket option. So if you have interest about that, make sure you join with the link you see up there right now. I have a super link currently because I want you to succeed. I give 60% of my own affiliate income back to you. That means every time you're trading, everything as normal, they are no different, only that you get cash back on every single trade. So basically you get what I was supposed to get as affiliate income back to you again. So you're welcome. And also, of course, it's a win-win because I still receive a smaller part than you receive back to me again. So maybe I get a new affiliate, just thanks for that. So we are helping each other some way. I will do some more live sessions also for pocket option, but currently I am so full booked. So tomorrow it will be on IQ Sense also for the live session we have tomorrow. So, but is these two brokers I'm using, pocket option and IQ Sense. So you find link below the video for both of them, okay? And yes, I will leave a link below the video to the live session that come tomorrow also. This session you also will find my YouTube channel, will always see the next live session, and you can just push there and you can push to get a notification when I go live. So that's also an option. And you have a timer so you can exactly see which time I will go live, so no worries there. So now let's get to it. Let's see how much money we can make with pocket option today. So now let's see. I will see if I can find a good entry. What I can see out of the bat, I can take a trend line here. I love mine. I basically, when I trade the binary option, I trade the same way I trade Forex. Don't need any, we don't need any type of indicators and this bullshit other YouTubers are trying to teach you, because basically they want you to lose money because then they make money, because you have many type of options you have when you're going to trade with the binary option as affiliate. You can so when you add new users, you can make money only if they lose money. I have the option for each trade, so for me it's better you are successful than you lose your money. Now we are ready to go in. If we can come down to this line, I will push higher. So now let's see. I want us to come a little more down. I'm not happy where we are right now. I would have taken on the green line, that's my target area. So if I don't get there, I rather don't take. Also in the top, I will take a lower on this line. Of course, eventually he will break in at one of the direction, but I still feel we have a quite good room. So I think these two are still active. Let's do a $100 trade. So let's see. So basically with this broker, I like to play a little around with support, resistance and trend lines. For the another one we do in the live sessions, we just keep to support resistance. So that's the ways I like to trade. Never learn from anyone that tells you to use an indicator. Indicators, I will tell you that much. Indicators do not work for Forex and do not work for binary option. Basically you have a 50% chance to win, and as in this case, if we lose $100. If we win, we gain 92. Obviously, even if you have a 55%, you're not doing that good, we can say like that. So make sure you learn to trade properly. I know I'm just a small YouTuber, but like I said, I am the only one that actually do this daily live for you. So you can really learn from me trading live. So make sure you really follow carefully what I'm doing, because it actually is working, okay? So now let's see if you can get in a trade here. Like I said, if you go too much far to the right here, the chances for this will be less and less that he will keep following this trend. So if we don't take in a short time here now, we will just move over to another pair. So now we know that we have it 1 minute. So the more we go here now, I will probably start to look at another pair. We will just follow and see. I think we need to come very fast now to hit one of these lines if I'm going to be interested at all to take the trade. I say now the payout is 79, says 92 here, so it's a bad payout also. I don't like that so much, so probably we should move on. I'll wait and see what this bar do, but I think maybe we should move on. Let's close this one here. Let's take another pair. I think we can go for this one. Here we also can see that we have a trend. For the ones that follow me, they know I love my trend lines. So in this case, I think we can take it there. And let's mark the one there down to around this level here. So let's see what we can do. We will buy in the one in the bottom here, and we will sell on the one in the top here. So let's wait and see. Here at least we are getting 92%. So here, and we also have we don't have a squeeze here. So the chance here is much higher for a win. But of course, yes, we need to come up the line for us to be interested to take a sell here. So you see trends work more on this broker, not so much support resistance, because you see you don't have a specific clear line to be trading. So now let's see. Of course, I would prefer to take one in the top, because basically what we can see, the trend is downwards. So that means it's a higher probability of winning on the line in the top than taking a trade on the bottom. But we will do both ways. So now let's wait and see. If this takes too long, we will just take one trade in this trading session. So let's see. By the way, like I said, make sure you check my profile, go in later and you join my live session tomorrow. I will trade probably 1 hour. depending on how much I find, how much energy I have, and how many joins. If it's just a few join in, because then I will not trade so long. But if you have a good activity, I will trade for 1 hour or maybe even more. So everything depends. Now let's see. We will take a sell trade on this line up here. That will be the best option. Because like I said, we have started a little downward, and we always prefer to trade with the trend. With Forex, I would never have bought down here, but as we're talking binary option, I think it's a good chance to win down here also. So we are ready to push up if we come down to this line now. Now let's wait and see. But yes, we need to touch this line. Okay, maybe we can get a lower. So yes, you need some patience with binary option also. It's not so dramatic like Forex, where you basically can have a trade open for days sometimes. And here basically everything closes in 1 minute. So just at least have patience enough to get the setup you want. Don't be hunting a trade like, okay, looks like you're stopping there, let's go in there. No, keep to your original plan. That's the way you will be successful. Don't be rushing, because you will get enough trade by the way. And like I said, when you first push this button, it's just 1 minute and it's done. So rather try to keep to your plan, so when you first push something, it's something that you don't regret after, that you have planned for. Because if I, for example, now see, okay, he stopped around here, I push lower here now, you see what would happen, right? So keep to your original plan. We are in. I did not get the best entry, but it's good enough, I think. So now it's basically just to wait and see what will happen. Now in 50 seconds we can see that we probably will win $92. How amazing is that? And that is also how easy it is to trade binary option. You see, just keep to your plan, make a line like this, just wait and collect the money. And don't, like I said, don't come and tell me indicator without holding the same trade. Never. This works only by trading properly. So make sure you follow me and learn this way of trading, so you also can make money like this. And even the entry was not perfect. Perfect will be up there, but still it's good enough. So now we can just wait 7 seconds and we collect $92. How amazing is that? And there you have it, $92 profit. So that's how easy it is to trade binary option. And if you think this was just something I pick out for a video, you can just follow me live. I do this live in front of your eyes every single day. So there are no bullshit here. This is how easy it is to trade binary option. So make sure you tune in tomorrow and trade live with me. Have an amazing day.